actually, you can say 10 minutes to 12 direction. Start the movie till we cross Austria, and then once we enter Italy, I will give you directions and the whole program for Italy, for Venice. I repeat again, the Europa Bridge is more than 90 meters high over the river Sil. I repeat, the Europa Bridge, the highest, and at the bottom is the river Sil. Well, that's what I said. You will hardly get. That was the two famous canals in Venice. One is the Grand Canal, which is about 100 feet to 220 feet wide and about 9 feet deep. Only 9 feet deep. And the other one is the Giudecca Canal.
Grill on the way from Innsbruck to Italy, Venice, about 2 hours after Innsbruck, in a stop for coffee, TTC, that is tea, toilet, coffee. From Fusina.
में तो डोम पे है
लैंडस्केप है लैंडस्केप
all over it's water. Small bridges. So places that you can walk, but some places the bridge, you see there, you see the bridge, pretty close to building that bridge is there. Small water, not big one.
गुड, हाँ हो गया हो गया।
पीछे का व्यू सब आता रहेगा ना।
हाँ सब आता है।